In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on your ROG motherboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a motherboard from ASUS ROG, regardless of the model, for example, a B550, a B650, a Z790, Z690, it doesn't matter. Regardless of the model, you can follow these general instructions to update the BIOS. So the steps are generally the same. To do this, you will need a USB drive. In this USB drive, you will load the necessary files for the BIOS update to be performed. Now, make sure that you format the USB drive beforehand. This is highly recommended, so insert it into your PC, right-click the USB drive, and choose the option to format. Now, after it is formatted in the FAT32 type, to download these BIOS files, go to the official ROG ASUS website and look for your particular model. So, for example, if you have a B550, type B550, if you have a 650, type B650, and so on. Basically, you need to look for your specific model of motherboard to download the correct files. Once you look for your particular model and you arrive at the product page, go over to Support, go to Driver and Tools, and then BIOS and Firmware. Under BIOS and Firmware, you can find all of the available BIOS versions. So download either the latest one, which is what I recommend, or a specific one if you want a more stable version, so do your own research. If you are unsure, like I said, just download the latest version available. Now, load these BIOS files into the USB drive. If they come in a zip format, extract them somewhere and then drag these BIOS files into the USB drive. With the files loaded, all that you have to do is insert it at the back of your motherboard. You can do this on any of the available USB ports. There are two main ways to update the BIOS. If you want to update it using this button here, you need to insert the USB drive on this labeled USB port, so it is clearly labeled as BIOS. Another thing to note is that your motherboard needs to be receiving power from the power supply, so all of the necessary cables must be connected. As long as your motherboard is receiving power from the power supply and you insert the USB drive on this particular port, you can press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. Make sure that you press the BIOS flashback 1. Then, after this is done, let this process finish, you will see some lights blink, and you will be good to go. If you want to do it through the BIOS interface, which is the main way of doing it, then what you have to do is press delete over and over while your computer is rebooting to access the BIOS here. Then, go into advanced mode by pressing F7 or clicking this option at the bottom right. Go to Tool, and then ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility. Now, as long as you inserted the USB drive at the back of the motherboard, it will appear here under the storage devices. You can choose it from the list, and consequently, the BIOS files are going to be inside. So you choose the BIOS files, and it is going to perform the update right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS ROG motherboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.